Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your USAA bank with Wave apps. So this right here is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just signed up for Wave apps and you want to start keeping track of your financials, transactions. So Wave app, I can speak from experience. This is an absolutely fantastic application to keep track of your finances. And with it, you could also get out your profit and loss reports or even your balance reports and then send them to your accountant or bookkeeper. Either way, guys, there's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, once you go into your Wave apps account, you're going to reach this dashboard here. So from this dashboard, what you're going to do next is scroll down to where it says banking, and then under banking, you're going to click on connected accounts. So from this page, you can see that USAA is right here, but once you actually click it, you're going to find that you get this prompt that played is used to connect your bank account with Wave apps. So don't worry here just because played, it's been used by a lot of banking and transactions apps such as Acorns, Venmo, Zelle, Coinbase. A lot of financial institutions use it, and the main reason why is because it's going to connect your account in seconds, and it's also going to keep your data safe, right? So I've used Plaid before and I've had no problems with it whatsoever, but once you actually understand what Plaid is, click on continue, and then here you just need to enter your phone number, but we're just going to continue as guest. And then on this next page here, it's going to ask you to log in. So at this point, you would need your account information, meaning your username and password, to log into USAA. And then once you actually log into USAA, you need to make sure that this checkbox here is clicked, which is share all accounts, to see all your financial info with Wave. So click on continue to log in, and as you can see, it's now asking me to log into my USAA account. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your USAA bank account with Wave apps. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.